Hi, and thanks for joining me today. What I wanted to share was this awesome conversation I had with a teacher from a school where 2 years ago they started intervention with their students, and they've now just this last year put it across their year one classroom, and then now across reception year one and year two they're implementing our approach to teaching maths. So I wanted to just share with you a couple of pieces, and one of the key parts that we talked about was this importance of teachers having a deeper understanding of the pedagogy and why you're teaching a way you're teaching, and really seeing the importance of that knowledge base being there so that when a program is implemented, the students are able to be met at their point of need. The other piece that she shared that I just wanted to pass on to you was this 10 students that she mentioned that had been in intervention back when they started 2 years ago with intervention. They're now further advanced than more than half of the children in their same class. So, that we also talked about how many students are now in their intervention classes as the years are progressing, and as they're implementing this approach, they actually have a lot less students. So she was telling me about a system that they have at their school where they had students that were in the red, which are needing a lot of intervention, students in the yellow, and now because of the intervention that they've done with us, they have no students in the red section because they've all been learning and progressing and understanding maths, and students that are in the yellow phase where they were identified as being at risk or having some needs for intervention, those students are now being met, and those students are now having those small group intervention classes so that they can have more targeted intervention and more accuracy for where those students are up to. So just wanted to share that with you. To me, that's just a great gain in terms of the school and their investment in our program and in our approach to teaching maths. Being able to go from having 10 students 2 years ago to now only 2 to 3 students in that same setting, and then this piece of seeing those students actually progressing further than the students in their own classroom and at their own age levels. So just to show you and to share with you, this is a response to intervention approach, a multi-tiered system of support, and we're so happy to be able to share it with you. Thanks so much.